Hey, if you want to check if your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are fake or original, so we can use this video and check this information. And I just ordered these two pairs, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and the Galaxy Buds 3 from an official Samsung website, so they are 100% original. So now I will actually zoom in the camera and show you every part of these earbuds, so you will be able to maybe find some differences. So first I'm gonna close the case. There's like the glossy part of the case that actually catch all of the fingerprints. At the top there's the Samsung logo with this Samsung font. It's actually more visible when I open it like this. Here we go. Now when you go into this part, we can actually find some marking. By the way, this is actually the European version, so if you are from other region, it may look a little bit different with this marking. At the bottom, we can find input for the USB-C port. There's the pairing button and some kind of the information right here. There's like release date, the name of the device, and some other marking. It was made in Vietnam. That's how it looks. Take a look. Now we are going inside the case. First I'm gonna remove the earbuds, and that's how it looks inside. There's like two rubbers, the blue and the orange, to recognize left and the right earbud, and that's how it looks inside. Nothing interesting. There's the magnetic close. Now when we go inside the earbuds, so right here, let me just catch focus. Right here on this panel we can find LED lights, and also on the left and the right earbud you can find these colors, the orange and the blue. There's the microphone at the bottom, there's the sensor, and also it's right here. There's also the marking that this is the right earbud. Right here there's the proximity sensor, there's the microphone, another microphone, and there's no any marking on the earbuds like on the charging case. Now when you roll out your ear tips, you can actually find the size of the ear tip right here, and this is actually the default ear tip. I didn't change it, and it comes with the medium size. When you take it off, it looks really close to AirPods, and the right one looks actually the same. There's like no difference, only this blue color to recognize the left earbud. And this is it for this video, the quick information for you. Right now you can tell me in the comments if you find out that your product is fake or real. Please subscribe.